Did you open it?
I didn't.
You didn't?
Well, just pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
No, I don't want to pick it up.
Pick it up. Look on the.
I see. No, I see what's going on. It looks like syrup. Didn't touch the bag. Didn't touch the bag.
It's all over his camo.
Cover that camo.
Who cares about camo at this point in the game?
Is that camo wet?
Oh, my socks made it. Thank God. But on the bottom?
Cans of Coke, really? You brought cans of Coke.
We are drinking Black Velvet and Coke tonight.
I was in a tough place. I was in a tough place in my life. Jeez. It's okay. I think we've got this.
He's just like, you need to get a can of Coke.
Let's find the culprit. I would say that's the one.
Yeah, since it's half empty. No, it's 3/4 empty.
Actually, hey Ty, we could use that. Still, the rest.
Let's use it right now.
It's seeping all over my pants. Would you?
Oh.
Now it's all over. You're an idiot. You're an idiot.
Cody.
I thought you were more of a cup is half full kind of guy.
We're okay.
So it begins.
So it begins.
We're going in deep, public land, and Steve just got a flat. We're doing pretty good. Getting a little late start or early start, depending on how you look at that. But a little tired, and we have about an hour to go. So, that's if we don't have any more breakdowns. It's gonna be an early morning. We'll probably kill a bull.
Flat tire number 3. Do you remember? Yeah, how many? 3?
Hi everybody! We're going out hunting.
Careful.
This is our 3rd flat tire, and I'm about freaking tired of it. We've crossed the line. This is unfair. We've had 3 flat tires, and now my chain just broke. So, I think it's karma or something. I shouldn't have made fun of Ty for that 3rd one. I should have kept it at 2.
We danced and drank to pass the time. I come down from the mountain. 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 Oh, oh, oh.
My chain's broken 2 times now, so I owe Ty 2 times. Well, 3 if you count the toilet paper, so it's not looking good for me. We're gonna hook it up, go back, and I don't know, hopefully we're gonna have to find a bull bedded now, because I think we're
Pretty close to lunchtime.
a little late, aren't we? It's about nap time.
Nap time, lunchtime. It's not been go time all day. It's been a good morning. Breakdowns, flat tires, but so I think it's about going on noon. It's my favorite time of day. We're gonna drop down off this cow's face. I'm gonna sneak in there and try to rattle some cages, get somebody pissed off.
We're probably gonna call him Trent.
We'll probably call in Trent and Steve, Chris, but that's alright. It'll be fun. So if I can get Trevor off his butt and quit eating, we can go hunt.
I need my energy. And I'm only halfway there. I still need a nap first.
So I may have to call for myself.
was sleeping in the garden when I saw you first. He put me deep, deep under so that he could work. And like the dawn, you broke the dark, and my whole earth shook. Bones of my bones and flesh of my flesh and blood.
That tree right there. Smoked him. Well, my second shot was premature. I just went dunk. My third shot was money. I can't even swallow them. I've got to just try them out. We sprinted the heck out of that thing. That's what you that was right up our style right there. Oh my god. Perfect height though. Perfect height.
Oh my god. Congratulations, buddy. How far shot?
Well, which one? That's the second one. The first and third were
I
mine.
come by and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's an arrow. That's Ty's arrow. Only Ty, when you would be walking along and go, there's an arrow in a tree. Right over there. It's Ty's. We're like, it's Ty's arrow. That's Ty's arrow. There is no way this happened. That's what you came for, isn't it?
That's what we came for.
That's what we came
That's
for.
what we all came for.
how could I've known?
Drilled him. Oh my God! Wait.
We just got on a good 6, had this bull coming across the flat above us. Wayne snuck in and just smoked that bull. Unbelievable. Awesome. Awesome.